Are you new at making floral grapevine wreaths? If so, watch this video. I'm going to teach you how to pick out your wreaths and how to clean them. Hi everybody, my name is Patty Davis and I'm with Crooked Tree Creations, and I am going to give you some short tips and tools on how to pick out grapevine wreaths to help you who might just be starting out making floral wreaths using grapevine. First of all, I am just wanting to show you real quick how to pick them out in the first place. But let me show you first. Here is an oval grapevine. Okay, I got this from Joanne Fabrics. Believe it or not, I did pick this out, but take a look at this. See all of those leaves going through there. Okay, you got to get rid of these leaves, and I will show you here in just a minute. But one thing you definitely also want to take a look at, kind of gauge them, like hold them up and down, whatever, side to side, kind of try to make sure they're straight. If they have like a big hump in them or something like that, you might want to pass on that. This has a slight concave coming out here at the bottom. You can barely see it. That's fine. Something like that, I'm not going to pass on or anything like that. I will show you a couple other grapevines. I got this round one. I ordered this online from Michael's, and it is only 14 inches. But you will see there's not a whole lot of leaves in there, but you see these little stringy things, whatever they are. I'm going to get rid of those. Again, I will show you here in a minute. And here is an 18-inch also from Michael's that I got online. Again, not very many leaves in there, but when you are picking out your grapevine, I want you to take a look at this and see, this is actually perfect. You can see a little bit through this. That tells me that you can stick your picks, your florals or whatever, you can stick it through here without it being too tight. You don't want it too tight, but of course you don't want it too loose. Obviously, if it's too loose, when you stick something in there and there's nothing for it to stick to, it's gonna come out. Now for cleaning them, I will bring out this wonderful oval grapevine. Again, you see these leaves. I mean, the ones on the end, they're rather easy. You could just, pick them out, no problem. Thing is, you will find some that are further inside. What you need to do is use scissors. You could use an ice pick, different things like that to pick these out. It's best to do it outside because it will be very, very messy. So if you're outside, bang it up against the wall, whatever, kind of get this stuff loosened up and you'll get them, get everything out. You don't want to keep these leaves in there. And the reason being, we're going to be using glue. You're going to stick, some kind of florals in here or whatever. And the glue sticks to the leaf, and eventually that leaf is going to crumble and, come apart. When that happens, floral stem is going to come loose. And you don't want that. You don't want, you want the floral to stick to the actual wood of the grapevine, okay? And once you're done with that, okay, I'm not gonna use this one anymore. I'll use this one here, okay? You can see here, you got things like part of the grapevine just kind of sticking out. Yes, it looks very natural. It's very rustic looking. I love rustic, but you really don't want that scratching your door or your customer's door for that matter. So I have here some wire cutters. What you do, you just take the wire cutters and cut it off, okay? Even these cute little squigglies, I love these squigglies. I always thought, boy, that makes it look so rustic. Again, it's gonna scratch. So when you're able to run your hand along here without jarring anything or hurting your hand, that's when it's good to prepare your wreath. I personally like to put a wire on the back. Okay, we have this wire here. It looks like grapevine. What you need to do is just cut, I'd say maybe 10 inches, if that. Okay, so we got a 10-inch piece of wire here. And the best thing to do is just kind of slip it up through on one side. I know it's kind of hard to see. Slip it up through the other side. So we got a piece here and a piece here. Now what I'll do, I'll bring this up and then take the ends down. So you can see I have these two ends here and kind of just, so we got a nice little hook for the customer or for you to hang your wreath on, okay? And then now it's time pretty much to get started putting the florals on, okay? So if you have any questions, leave them here. I'm happy to help you out. And if you found this information helpful, please click the like button.